Hello children, welcome to EduRev. In this video, we are going to cover the key concepts of Class 6 Chapter 1, which is food. Where does it come from? Let us begin by understanding food. What is food? Anything that can be consumed is called a food. Here comes the formal definition of a food. The component that we consume which provides nourishment to the body is called food. What are the examples of food? Rice, chapati, fruits, vegetables, milk, pizza, burger, meat, eggs, and many things. Anything which can be consumed is called a food. Let's come to the topic of food variety. Our meals include a variety of food items. Children, what did you eat yesterday? And what did you eat today? Did you eat the same thing yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times. Our meals include a variety of food items. Variety in our food items makes it fun and healthy. Let's suppose we are eating pizza in the morning in the breakfast. In the lunch too we are eating pizza. In the dinner too we are eating pizza. It will make it boring. Eating pizza will no longer be fun, and also we will not get proper nutrients. You should make sure that whatever you are eating in your lunch, breakfast and dinner should have variety in them so that you can get proper nutrients from food. You should not eat rice or chapati every time. Let's come to the topic of ingredients now. What do you mean by ingredients? What are ingredients? The raw materials required to prepare a food item are called as ingredients. Let us understand the difference between food and food item first. What is the difference between a food and a food item? Anything that we can consume is food. And food item is said to be a particular dish or something. For example, if we are eating, suppose Rajma chawal. Rajma chawal or Rajma will be called a food item. Chawal would be called another food item. Curd, if we are eating curd together with Rajma chawal, curd would be called another food item. So, Rajma, chawal, curd. These are three different food items. And together it is said that we are eating food. So children, food item means a particular type of dish and food means in general or overall term. Let us come back and understand the meaning of ingredients. The raw materials required to prepare a food item are called as ingredients. Let me show you by an example. Here is a food item kheer. What are the ingredients? What are the raw materials that are used to prepare this food item which is kheer? Here are the ingredients. We require milk, we require rice and we require sugar. So, kheer requires these three ingredients. These three are the raw materials to prepare this food item kheer. Here come next food item. Idli. What are the ingredients we require to prepare idli? Idli is prepared from rice, urad dal, salt and water. We make a paste of rice and urad dal and we pour it in a idli stand and with then food item idli will get prepared. So these ingredients are used to make this food item idli. Here comes the next food item. Chicken curry. Do you eat chicken curry? What are the ingredients involved in it? The ingredients involved in it are chicken, spices, oil or ghee and water. So, these are the raw ingredients to prepare this food item chicken curry. Some food item requires many ingredients. Some food items require less ingredients. What are the food items that require many ingredients? Can you name them? For example, sambar, idli also. Idli, sambar require many ingredients. Sambar requires dal, then vegetables, water, spices, many things. And what are the examples of food items that require less ingredients? Boiled rice, just rice and water. Let us come to the next portion. Food materials and sources. The ingredients of a food item can be obtained from either plants or animals. Okay. To prepare a food item, the ingredients which we obtain can be obtained from either plant sources or animal sources. The products obtained from plants are called plant products, whereas the products or ingredients obtained from animals are called animal products. Here are some examples of ingredients which we get from animals and which we get from plants. You can see here the examples of animal products. Can you name them? Meat. This is an example of meat. This is an image of a meat. Milk and dairy products. Dairy product means all the dairy products which can be obtained from milk. Be it cheese, be it paneer. We call paneer cottage cheese in English. Okay. Be it buttermilk. All the dairy products and milk itself are an animal product. We get milk from cow or buffalo. Okay. Eggs is also an animal product. We derive egg from hens. It is an animal product. And what are the examples of plant products? The things or ingredients which we derive from plants are called plant products. For example, vegetables. This vegetable you can see here, broccoli, spinach, coriander, everything is an example of plant product. Pulses are also plant products. Nuts, badam, kaju, they are also plant products. Now, sources of different ingredients used to prepare different food items. In the previous slide, we discussed about this food item kheer and we discussed the ingredients involved in making kheer. Now, identify the sources of these ingredients which are used to make this food item kheer. Milk. Milk is an animal product. Rice. It is a plant product. Sugar. It is a plant product too. Sugar is derived from sugarcane. Here comes another food item. Chicken curry. Chicken we get from animal. So, it is an animal product. Spices we get from plant. It is an animal product too. Oil, ghee, we get from plant, animal both. Some oils like virgin oil, some oils like olive oil is an example of plant source or plant product. Ghee is an example of animal product. We derive ghee from milk and we derive milk from cow or buffalo. So, ghee is an example of animal product. Water is an example of natural resource. It is available from nature. It comes from nature. So, water is an example of natural resource. Here comes another food item, idli. We discussed that these ingredients used in idli. Rice we get from plant. Rice is a plant product. Urad dal we get from plant. Urad dal is also a plant product. Salt is again a natural resource. We get salt from sea. So, salt is a natural resource. Water is again a natural resource. So, these were the sources of different ingredients used to prepare different food items. That was all for this video. Let's revise. You can cover entire concept discussed in this video through this revision question. So, children, tell me, cheese comes from milk. And milk is a animal product. Milk comes from cow. Sausage comes from meat and fish. Meat and fish comes from animals. So sausage is a animal product. Children, you can go through this course of Science Classics in EduRev Infinity application and can cover various tests, documents and videos of this chapter, food, where does it come from. We will continue our chapter in the next video. Thank you.